What's up, insurance people? In this video I'm going to show you how to get content for your emails. Okay, so what we're going to do, alright, this is the email that we made in the last video. Obviously it's not like the most beautiful thing in the world. You might have to spend a little bit of time on that to kind of do that on your own. But what we're going to do is click on add another email. Now when you start doing these emails, right, there'll be an option here for you to, well, here we'll do it in my in mine. There'll be an option for you to replicate the previous email. Okay, so you'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. This is kind of difficult because I don't want to have to sign up and pay for a new account, so I'm just going to show you from mine. Okay, so this is my automated campaign. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom. Now this is my most recent email that I just created. Let's say I want to do another email. Okay, if I click this, it's going to give me a blank template, which is fine. But that means that I have to set up the signature and all that stuff. I have to do that all over again, which I don't want to do. So what I do is I click here and I click on replicate, and it'll essentially duplicate this email for me. And then what I do is I click on design email. And we'll just call this one sample insurance email. Paste that into the name your email place as well. We can skip template here because it's going to have the same template as all my other emails. So the template you only really need to design once. Okay, so this is my logo, right? Nothing too fancy. Like I literally made this, I don't know, in Microsoft Paint, like a little O icon here, and then I just spelled out omniloquent. And if we click on this, oops, accidentally duplicated that. If we click on this, okay, we've got the heading right here. I like to put memes in my emails. You can decide for yourself what you want the theme of your email campaigns to be. This is for my personal brand, and I like to keep it light. I like to keep it funny. If you're an insurance person, maybe you want to do that as well. If you want to like inject a little bit of your personality in there, or maybe you want to take a more dry, more professional approach, which, you know, I'm sure either one is fine. It just kind of depends on you. There's advantages and disadvantages to both. Okay, so regardless of what strategy and attitude you want to take, I personally like to add an image at the top. Like if we take a look at this, right, this, if somebody gets this as an email, it's less exciting than this, right? And of course it's a meme. You don't have to use memes. You can use whatever you want. Okay, and then what you do is you write the copy. Now, where do you find this copy? So let's say we're doing life insurance. Let's say, I don't know, life insurance information blog. Okay, basically what you do is you type it into Google, the lifeinsuranceblog.com. That is good. Now, here is what we do. I've never seen this website before. Okay, so here we go. Boom. Easy peasy. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. We're going to come over here and we're going to paste it right here. Bada boom, bada bing. We just got our first email. And let's call this, I don't know, what was the title of this? Life insurance basic terminology. You can literally copy and paste everything. Now, if you're wondering like, well, oh my God, this is copyrighted information. It's a blog. Nobody cares that you like took these definitions and pasted them into your own email. It's not that big of a deal. Now, if you take a look here, you'll notice that these are bullet points. This text is bolded. It just kind of helps to break up the text a little bit more. See, like this big paragraph, like less easy to read than if we were to break it up like so. Okay, if we break it up like this, okay, one essentially sentence per line. Okay, and then what you're going to do, what I would recommend that you do, is you say, I've been whatever, working in the insurance industry for, I don't know, 10 years, and would be happy to help you select the most appropriate policy for your needs. To set an appointment with me, just click here. Okay, and then what we're going to do, and I'll show you this in the next video, it's pretty easy, but we're going to turn this into a link, and we're going to use Calendly. If you have your own calendar software or whatever, you can do that. But I'll show you that in the next video. And also what I would do if you're stealing content from other places, I would remove these links, because you don't want to be linking out to anything that's not going to like directly serve you, right? The only thing you really want to link to here is your appointment setting, like something for an appointment for you. Okay, I'll cover that in the next video, so stick around.